today's topic is vibe coding, the future of AI assisted software development. So, what you will know here in this video, what is vibe coding, origin of the term, how vibe coding works, the benefit of vibe coding, real world application, skill required for vibe coding, challenges and consideration, then future outlook. So, what is vibe coding? It is an AI dependent programming technique where developers describe the problem in natural language, allowing AI to generate the code. Shift the programmer's roles from manual coding to guiding and refining AI generated code. So, how this term originated? It coined by Andres Carpathy. It introduced in February 2025 by computer science Andres Carpathy. Emphasized conversational coding using voice commands with AI generated the actual code. Karpathy described it as I just see things, say things, run things, and copy paste things, and it almost work. So, how high coding work? Describe the desired functionality or problem in a natural language. AI interprets the description and generate corresponding code. Developer test and refine the AI generated code as needed. Right. So, what is the benefit of vibe coding? It is the accessibility. That is, individual will be enabled with minimal coding experience to develop the software. Efficiency wise, it accelerates the development process by automating code generation. Then what is the innovation here? It allows developer to focus on creative aspect and problem solving. So let's see the real world applications. Like case study is the AI generated games. An individual actually used this AI to create racing games featuring Elon Musk and Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, competing to achieve the AGI. So, despite initial technical challenges and bugs, the AI driven approach demonstrated how AI can make coding more and more accessible and efficient. What is the skill required for vibe coding? One is the prompt engineering. So, it crafting the clear and effective instruction for AI tools. Then, critical thinking. You need to evaluate AI generated code for accuracy and efficiency. Then, problem solving, addressing the issues and refining codes to meet the project requirements. So, what are the challenges and considerations? So, understanding and accountability. We need to understand the risk of using AI codes without fully comprehending its functionality. Then, quality assurance, ensuring the reliability and security of AI generated code. Then, ethical implications. So, that is the addressing concern about originality and potential bias in AI generated content. So, how the future look like? So, industry adoption, growing integration of AI in software development, then evolving roles, shift in developer responsibility towards guiding and overseeing AI processes, then continuous learning, importance of staying updated with AI advancement and methodology. So, in conclusion, we need to embrace the vibe coding, understand its potential to revolutionize software development, balancing AI assistant with human expertise to achieve optimal result. So that's all guys for today. If you learn anything from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and bye bye. We will keep on bringing this good quality AI videos for you guys.